Hey guys, Brett5578 here again, another video. This time it's going to be an oil change tutorial, how to, step by step, whatever you want to call it. I did jump ahead a little bit, I already emptied the oil out, but I'm still going to show you all the steps that you're going to need to do. So stay tuned and show you how to do an oil change on a 2002 Ford Escape. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this job is a 15mm socket. Breaker bar is optional, a ratchet, oil filter of your choice. This vehicle calls for 5W20 oil, so that's what we got. Make sure you get the right oil for your vehicle. Towels, a glove, optional. And that's it. Let's get to work. Alright guys, like I said, I did jump ahead a little bit and I did empty out the oil already. So I already showed you what you're going to need, all these tools. Now, what you want to do, like I said earlier, 5W30, make sure you follow this, alright? You're going to take this off, alright? Set it to the side. I set it up there. You're going to come down under the vehicle, and right there where the oil is dripping, that's where your drain plug is going to be found. This is what it looks like. Up there is your oil filter. If the car was just running, be very careful. These pipes are going to be very hot. But that right there is your oil filter. Let the car cool down a little bit before you do this. So, while you're waiting for that to empty into the drain pan, take a drain plug, clean it off, get all the old oil off. You can go ahead now and start getting your new filter ready, which I'm going to do now. Now, take some of this new oil, dip my finger in it. I'm going to take the filter, I'm going to just lubricate the ring and the threads. I'm also going to pour a little bit of new oil inside of the filter, so when we go ahead and apply it, it's not going to be a dry start. You can also do the same thing to the drain plug here. Just rub some new oil on it. Make your life a little easier. Alright, on to the next step. Alright guys, I wish I could give you a better shot here, but you got this black piece in the way. What I'm going to do at this time, I'm going to put the drain plug back in, and then I'm going to remove the oil filter. Before you remove the oil filter, move the oil pan up to where the oil filter is, because there's a good chance there's going to be some oil coming out of that area as well. So let's go ahead and put this back. Remember, don't go retard tight, just tight enough. Now, what I'm going to do is put my glove on, move the oil pan up, and hopefully I can remove the oil filter with my hand. If not, you're going to need a tool, or you just stick a screwdriver through it, whichever one you want to do. It's up to you, however you want to roll. Like I said, some oil coming from the filter area. Biggie. Dump out the filter. Oh, don't drop it in like I did. Not sure if you can see what I'm doing. I drained it out, accidentally dropped it in. Let's go ahead and let that drain out a little bit, and we'll put the new one back on. Alright guys, new filter in hand. I filled it with some oil. Don't want to tip it over too much, you'll spill it all over the place. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it back on. My hands are a little oily from when I spilled the oil. So, put my grippy glove on. And tight. Alright. Take you off the tripod here. So this is what you should have after the new filter in place, and the drain plug back in its place. And go ahead and I'm gonna wipe this stuff up here, that way it doesn't burn up. Alright guys, we're almost done here. Final step. Just gonna remove the oil cap. Just go ahead and set this aside somewhere. Get a funnel so you don't make a mess. It's up to you. And just grab your oil. The garage told me this car is supposed to take 5.5 quarts, so I'm gonna go with 5.5 and just follow the instructions they told me to follow for this vehicle. Go ahead and try not to make a mess and fill her up. Gonna put half of this in there. take into account for the little bit that you put in the filter, if you put any in the filter. It's about good. Down. Go ahead and put your oil cap back on. Like so. Then what you're gonna do, start her up, let her run for a little bit, check for any leaks. If there's no leaks, then you're good to go. Alright guys, she's been running for a few minutes now. I'm not seeing any leaks coming from under or up here. A little bit of smoke from the oil that was spilled. But that's how you do an oil change on a 2002 Ford Escape. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you again.